Hi, my name is John Moran with Greenlight Property Management. Today we're here at 128 Lakeway Drive in Benbrook, Texas. Zip code is 76126. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's approximately 2,120 square foot. As you can see here from the video, it is a corner lot. So it's you got a nice big front yard here. Here's the mailbox. You can also see from the front here that you have a 2-car garage. The garage door on the left side you do have to open manually by hand, but the door on the right hand side does have a opener as well as a garage door opener, as you can see here. So actually what we're going to do is we're going to check out the garage first, and then we'll go inside and check out the house. Really nice house. Most of the rooms are freshly painted. As you can see in here in the garage, it's nice and spacious. And like I was saying, here on the right hand side, as you can see, there is no opener, but you can open it manually. And then on this left hand side here, you have the garage door, in which So next we're going to go into the house, and on the left side of this house is actually the master and the second bedroom, which will lead us into the dining room and the kitchen. So first things first, we're going to check out this master bedroom. Really nice master bedroom. As you can see here, a lot of space. Carpets are nice and clean. Ceiling fan works. The cool thing about the master bedroom here is you have a sliding glass door with mini blinds, so it's really nice. As you can see, the lighting in here is very nice. And most of the walls in this room are fresh paint. So we're going to go directly right here into the master bathroom. A nice little setup here. You have a stand-up shower, as well as a area there for the toilet. Glass sliding door for the shower. Now here in the master bathroom is actually the closet to the master bedroom. So you have plenty of room to hang clothes. As you can see here, pretty good little storage area here. As well as some, storage up here. You also have access to the attic from in here. So next, we're actually going to go into the second bedroom. Here's the second bedroom. As you can see, you have the folding closet doors here. Fan works, nice clean carpets. You have a big double window right there with brand new mini blinds. And I'll come into this corner here so you can kind of see how big this room is. I'm actually in like a little nook area. So it actually extends the square feet of the room. And I'll show you here when I turn it around. As you can see there in that left-hand corner, you have a little bit of room there. So pretty big room in here for the second bedroom. Like I was saying, we're going to go into the kitchen. So right here we got the dining room. Really nice dining room in here. You got nice lighting. You actually have 3 windows here, one above the sink. You have a sliding glass door with mini blinds, and then a set of windows right there with a brand new set of mini blinds. Here in the kitchen, it comes with amenities. You have a dishwasher, as well as a stovetop, glass stovetop, an oven, and a nice little microwave right there. And like I mentioned about the dining room, you can see that window right there. It brings in a lot of good light into the kitchen. So actually in here in the kitchen is where the kind of laundry area would be here. And so you have a good little nice area here for laundry. So now we're going to go into the living room, and we'll check out the right side of the house as far as the bedrooms go. As you can see in here, it's a really big living room. And let me get in this other corner over here so you can see the bookshelf as well as the nice white fireplace and a big living room here. You have 2 windows that really bring in good light. Nice wood burning fireplace there. Real big living room. So next we're going to go into bedroom number 3 here. Fresh paint in this room as well. As you can tell, the carpets are nice and vacuumed. Ceiling fan does work. You have actually 2 little closet doors there that serve as like a Jack and Jill closet. Brand new mini blinds here on this window. And I'll get in this corner here so you can see a little bit better. And now I kind of want to show you the Jack and Jill closet. You actually have a good amount of space in here, as you can see down here. And you have some headspace up here, you know, if you want to hang clothes and all that sort of stuff. So the other bedroom is actually just like this bedroom. So we're gonna hit the hallway bathroom first before we go into that other bedroom. But here in the hallway bathroom, nice black marble countertops, white cabinets, some nice clean flooring in here. You have some more space, you know, for towels and sorts of stuff like that. And then you kind of have a little privacy bathroom here in which you can close the door. It has a bathtub. And then in here in this little area, you have the toilet. So that is the hall bathroom, and we're gonna go into this bedroom and I'll show you the backyard afterwards. Kind of same thing in this bedroom here. Fresh, nice, clean carpets. Brand new mini blinds over there in that big window. Ceiling fan works perfect. You have the Jack and Jill closet there. That's very nice if you have like smaller children. They have lots of space for storage. So very similar to the 3rd bedroom. One thing I love about this house is all the windows are nice and big, so you bring a lot of light in from outside, as you can see here. So what we're going to do is we're going to check out the backyard. I will say before we check out the backyard that the hot tub unfortunately does not work. But you have a nice little backyard here, a nice back patio. And over there behind the hot tub, I'll show you here in a second, you actually almost have like a little stage or a little porch area if you want to set up, you know, some chairs, maybe a cast iron table with an umbrella for shade and stuff like that. But here is the back of the house. And like I was saying, all those windows are nice and big. It brings in a lot of light through the house. Now here is that patio. You got a nice little stage here, I guess you could call it. But, you know, it's really be really nice if you come out here and hang out. You have a good size area where you could put a table and an umbrella for shade. And I'll get up in this corner here so you can get a better understanding of the backyard. Pretty big backyard as well. The front was big, and so is the back, as you can see here. So this is the marketing video for 128 Lakeway Drive in Benbrook, Texas.